Monday. Well, I think we can say goodbye to the 70s, and this time the colder trend is likely to continue right into the winter season. And speaking of that, we've been analyzing climate data for months in order to get very specific about this winter's weather. So without any further delay, here's the exclusive CBS3 winter forecast. You could say that winter has already started. Our rare October nor'easter was no treat, with some of us seeing significant snow that knocked down trees and power lines. That storm has everyone on alert. Was it a fluke, or is it a sign of the winter to come?
I think there's going to be a lot of snow since it started so early in October.
We're in for a serious winter, and hopefully we get a lot of snow. I love it.
I'm just hoping we don't get as much of snow as we did the last couple of years, because that was unbearable.
Every winter has its active and quiet periods, and this year will be no exception. Here's my exclusive CBS3 winter forecast. First, let's look at temperatures. We will ease into the season in December with an average high temperature of 44 degrees, which is normal. In January, though, the average will be below the normal high of 39. February will be milder, with the mercury averaging above the normal high of 42 degrees. Making an impact on our weather will be La Nina, the cold water current in the eastern Pacific.
Oh, it's going to be a factor. I mean, the Pacific Ocean is huge.
I met with my colleague Tony Gigi of the National Weather Service to discuss La Nina.
Normally, you seem to have more moderate-type snowstorms, more nuisance-type snow events.
Last year was also a La Nina year, but there was a big wild card, the North Atlantic Oscillation, known as the NAO. It was negative for an unusual period of time, pushing the jet stream south and providing a colder and snowier winter. But this winter, trends indicate that won't happen again. Here's March. In the CBS3 Weather Center, we've been analyzing all the data. This December won't be like last year. There won't be much to shovel. Unfortunately, I do not expect snow close to the holidays, so there is little chance of a white Christmas. January will feature below average snowfall, and when it does come down, it's more likely to have rain mixing in. But February will have more snow than normal, and plows will be busier longer this year. That's because there is a good chance of accumulating snow extending into March. This winter, 75% of our snow will come from coastal storms. We expect 2 storms, each producing 6 or more inches of snow, most likely to happen between late January and late February. I expect more small to moderate snowfalls, keeping accumulations down. This year, I am forecasting a range of 21 to 28 inches of snow. That's slightly above average, but much less than the last 2 record winters. And remember, 2 years ago, we had nearly 8 inches of snow, a record breaker, and last year, over 40 inches. But I'm still buying my first snowblower this year.
Oh, man. Well, that's really bad.
Okay.
All
we
right.
had a lot of oohs and ahs.
We even got food during the winter. That's got to be a first.
That was.